Hello guys, welcome back to Error Genie. Today I'm going to show you how to fix NCA verification disabled error in Eden Emulator. Alright, let's fix this step by step. First, make sure your Eden Emulator is fully updated. Older versions may not have the correct settings and can cause this error. So open your emulator, go to Emulation Configuration, System tab. Now here you will see the option Disable NCA Verification. Important tip, do not leave this disabled permanently. Disabling it might let the game open, but it can cause black screen or crashes in many games. So keep this enabled and instead fix it properly. Next, right-click on your game. Click Game Configure. Go to the System tab and make sure that option is unchecked here for the game specifically. Click Apply. Okay, then launch the game again. Still not working? Follow this. Go to File, open Eden folder. Open the roaming folder, then close the emulator completely. Now delete these folders. Cache, shaders, config optional but recommended. Once done, reopen the emulator and add your game directory again. Now try launching the game. If the issue still persists, reinstall your firmware. Go to Tools, install firmware zip, select your firmware file, install it, then restart the emulator. Make sure your firmware is up to date and matches your keys. After restart, launch the game again. And that's it. One of these steps should fix the NCA verification error. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Error Genie.